It's Sunday. Good morning. It's Sunday. And right now, I'm preparing breakfast natin for today. It's quite rainy. It's a rainy Sunday. Cloudy pa pala sa labas. And I'm cooking some sardines. Pang breakfast natin. Doña Elena. Sponge sardines. Sardinas muna tayo, guys. And we're going somewhere mamaya. We'll have lunch kasi may birthday celebration kaming pupuntahan. And doon kami magla-lunch. Okay, see you there. Actually, hindi pa ako nakaka-prepare. Naghilamos lang ako, tapos I rub my eyes. So, namula yung eyes ko. Hindi pa ako naliligo. Still on the bed. Kasama ko si Luffy. Sleeping. Luffy's still sleeping. Siyempre, may iwan naman din sila as we have our lunch tonight. Today pala. Tonight. Outfit check. Ready to go. It's almost lunchtime. So, muna kami sa may Palmera something. We'll be having lunch in there. So, it's gonna be our outfit. Diba? But the plot twist is yung aking measures. Yan. It's either kagat nito or nito. Pero malaki ang chance na ito ang kumagat at nagngat-ngat kaya naging ganito. So we're traveling papunta ng Palmera this time. Ayan. Hi guys, punta kami ng Grand Palmera today. Ayan. We're having lunch. Makiki-lunch kami doon. So see ya.
Birthday celebrant. Okay.
Thank you so much, family, friends, Ninong, Ninang, to celebrate first birthday and
Okay, sabay malakas ang manalis.
Hi everyone, nasa Palmera kami right now. Let's check in kami. Okay, dito muna kami. Staycation muna tayo for a while. Okay, after party update, stay lang kami sa hotel. Kasi napagod kami sa birthday celebration, so we need to stay here. And then, load muna tayo ng chill out muna. And I guess this will end our Sunday night, Sunday afternoon. So, yes. Bye.